There's lots of different ways to lace your Adidas Superstars, but my favourite way is lacing them loosely. So that's what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. So we're going to start off with taking the lace and we're going to bring it down through the first inside hole. Just bring it up into the shoe a little bit and then take the lace across the shoe, making sure that you're keeping it nice and flat, and bring it up through the outside first hole. And to make sure as you lace up the shoe you've got the same amount of lace on both sides, if you bring your ends of your laces together and pull up through the shoe, you'll make sure that your laces are the same length. So I'm just going to make sure that that bar, that first and only bar that we're going to do, is nice and tight, or not too tight. And then we're going to start off with the outside lace, so we're going to come across the shoe to the inside second hole. So when I bring it across, I'm going to loop it on my finger, and that makes sure that it's not too tight. I'm going to take the inside lace across the shoe and I'm going to put that down through the outside second hole. I'm going to keep that lace in my hand. I'm going to bring it across the shoe to the inside third hole. And then I'm going to take the inside lace across the shoe to the outside third hole. I'm going to keep that lace in my hand and I'm going to take it across the shoe to the inside fourth hole. And I'm going to take the inside lace across the shoe to the outside fourth hole. And the next bit of the style, I'm going to take the lace through the hoop on the tongue, pass it through, and I'm going to take it across the shoe to the inside fifth hole. And then I'm going to take the inside lace again through the loop. Make sure it sits on the lace that's already running through there. Bring it across the shoe and down through the outside fifth hole. And take the lace across the shoe to the inside sixth hole. Then take the inside lace across the shoe to the outside sixth hole. And then I'm going to keep that lace in my hand. I'm going to take it across the shoe to the inside last hole, and rather than it taking down the hole, we're going to take it up through that last hole. And then I'm going to take the inside lace across the shoe and again out through that last hole. Just going to make sure that the laces are the same length as each other. I'm just going to pull the shoe out a little bit as I go down and back up the shoe, and there you have your loosely laced Adidas Superstars. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel for future tutorials, subscribe. Thanks for watching.